we'll be going over the direct selection tool and the selection tool. So in the previous tutorial, we went over the selection tool here, which is using the V shortcut again. I can select any of the shapes that I previously created and move them around. But hey, if I want to maybe alter the shape of any of the objects that I placed on the artboard, I can press A for the direct selection tool. You can notice that the cursor changes for the direct selection tool and the selection tool. Now for the direct selection tool, I'm able to click any of the objects, and I'm able to distinguish between the path and the anchor point. With the anchor point here, while I can manipulate all these handles to change the path at whichever way I want, I'm able to take a specific handle and manipulate it however I would like. Here, this also allows you to create the fillets or round the edges of all of your paths, or pardon, shapes in this case. I can select only one, and you can see that path only it turned white. So here again, if I zoom in, remembering our tools from previous lessons of Control+, I'm able to also pan. I'm able to select only one point here. You can see that it is a different color. Here it has a dot in the middle and the dot has disappeared. That allows me to only manipulate one of the corners to create that fillet or make that rounded rectangle, or a rounded edge, pardon, and I'm able to do that. So now if I want to resize the artboard to fit it to the screen, I can press Ctrl+0 and fit the artboard onto screen. So again, some of the differences between the selection tool and the direct selection tool is the selection tool, or V again, is a little bit higher of a level. It's more abstract. You're able to move shapes around. But the direct selection tool, or A, is more detail oriented, where you're able to go down a level, able to isolate shapes into their paths, and then also points.